Now, first starting off in e-waste, if somebody would have told me that power supplies had gold and silver inside them, I would have laughed at them. But not only are you going to have your copper and your aluminum in there, but yes, if you look right there, there are some of the finest gold pins you are going to find inside of a power supply. And I tell you guys what, there's so much more stuff to be had inside. So here we are back in the shop, and today we are going to talk about power supplies. That's right, you find them in all your PCs. A lot of people say they're not worth your time, but I tell you what, there's a lot of secrets and goodies to be had inside of these guys. So let's get to it. So right off the bat, if you just take an extra minute to take them out of your computers instead of leaving them in there for shred steel, you're already going to upgrade them to 45 cents a pound. That's right, and these guys are all weighing in at 37 pounds. That's going to give you $16.65 extra on top of all the free gold and everything else that you get. But I tell you guys what, is it worth taking the copper wire off the back of them and seeing if we can make more? Well, let's check it out. So we took a couple minutes and we got those guys broke down. Now what did we get? We have 33 pounds of what now is a power supply without a cord. That's going for 35 cents a pound right now, roughly at board sort, and it comes in at 33 pounds, so that's $11.55. We also have roughly 3.5 pounds of low grade wire. That's right, for my scrapyard, I'll leave the ends on. They'll go for a low grade wire, and that comes in at $2.45. So I tell you what did we do? We went backwards a couple dollars. That's right, we went backwards $2.65. But I tell you guys what, there's still going to be more secrets and goodies to be had. All these black connectors are going to have a form of gold inside there. I know you guys can't see it yet, but we'll check it out. And these guys, once you crack them open, they're going to have a form of extruded aluminum. They're going to have some hidden copper, and they're still going to have some hidden secrets of silver and gold in there as well. So let's crack these guys down even further and see what we get. Here we are, we got that all broke down for you guys, and what did we get? Well, I tell you what, you guys are not gonna like it. We got 15 pounds of shred steel, and at 6 cents a pound, that's coming in at 90 whopping cents for all of that in that bucket. Now, we got our low grade wire, that upgraded to 4.69 pounds at 70 cents a pound. That's gonna give us $3.29. But keep in mind, guys, remember I was telling you about all these black connectors and everything right here. These guys are going to have some gold in there, so you're not gonna wanna give those to your scrapyard for free. You're gonna wanna take them off of there. What else did we get? Well, we got the low grade boards, and low grade boards go about 50 cents a pound and 13.61 pounds. It comes out at $6.81. But I tell you guys what, if you guys are a micro scrapper like I am, you're not going to want to pass up all this extruded aluminum, all this sheet aluminum, all this wonderful copper, these IC chips, all this gold and silver potential, along with all these beautiful gold pins. That's right, there were some gold pins, and there's even more gold pins all over these boards. So again, you're going to want to micro scrap them if you've got them down this far. What else did we get? Well, we got some transformers. The transformers come in at 44 cents a pound, and they were a little over 1.5 pounds, so that gives us 66 cents. And then we also have our copper bearing motors right here. That's right, we took them out of all of the fans that were the cooling fans inside there. And at 31 cents a pound, it came a little over a pound. That brought us to 31 extra cents. Now, what did we get after we started off with $16.65 for doing nothing more than taking them out of our shred steel boxes? Well, we ended up going down to $11.97. Yeah, I can't make this stuff up, guys. If you're gonna sell these, just sell these outright right out of the computer. Don't leave them in your boxes. Take them out and sell them for your 45 cents. Absolutely, that's what I would do. But hey, we're going to micro scrap these. We're going to get all that aluminum and all that copper and all that silver and gold out of there. So I tell you guys what, hey, to all my subscribers, thanks for hanging out today. To my wife, I love you. And to my kids, go wash your face.